YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Bert Collins coming back at you for another video. Today we got a double unboxing. So I'm gonna need you guys to do three things for me. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell so you can get all my videos. I told you guys I was coming back with some videos. So, like I said, I got a double unboxing for you. Today, we're gonna start off with this. This package right here, I ordered December 29th. Today is April 1st or 2nd. April 1st. And because of the coronavirus and all those type of things, that's how long it took this package to get here to me. So, let's just open it. I mean, I am kind of excited to see what we got going on here. Like I said, 3 months. But hey, I guess better late than never. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I really thought this was never coming in the mail. Now I don't even know if I'm still excited about it anymore. But you guys ready? All right, from the Travis Scott. I thought this was really dope. It says Jack Boys in the back, like that. That sounds really. Jack Boys. You know what I'm saying? The little ski mask. Mask on. A little neon color. I think it's dope. I was thinking about getting them Air Max 95s. I think this would be dope with the Air Max 95 4s that just came out, or even just the 95s. I've been into the neon thing lately, so I've been buying more stuff with neon in it. But I think this is dope. I'm not gonna take it out the packaging because I don't know if I'm gonna keep it. I think it's dope. I mean, we'll see if I can find the right fit. You guys will know because I'll post it. I'll post it on my Instagram. But yeah, man, I was pretty hot, man. Shit took 4 months to get to me, but you know. Comment below. Did you cop anything from the Travis Scott? I think this is from his album release. Kind of like the same thing Kanye does, releases clothing when he releases the album. I think it's dope. I might wear it. I haven't gone snowboarding in a long time, but I think this would be super dope to wear while snowboarding. So most likely I'll keep this. I like this. I spent 51 bucks on this. Kind of expensive for a ski mask, you know what I'm saying? But you know, we'll see. We will see. If I keep it, then I'll take a picture with it and post it on my Instagram. So we got that. We'll kind of set that like that. Okay, and then we got a real unboxing right here. Oh yeah, we good. So I ordered this, obviously off. Nike has been having crazy sales. So, you know, there's always a pair of shoes that you say no to, that when you're like, oh, if this shoe ever went on sale, I'd buy it. This is that shoe for me. Nike receipt. Nike box. Classic. All right, you guys. You guys ready to see what it is? Your Nike Air Max 1. What's that say? Just Nike Air Max 1 Bronzy Clips. Total orange. That's the colorway. Size 10.5. I hope these fit right. Sometimes Air Max 1s run small and they fit tight on you. So I hope these fit right. Ooh. You guys ready Did you see that? Oh, seen it? All right, here we go. I like this. Look at that. Now, for me, I like to buy shoes that I know not everybody is gonna have. What do you think about that? Wow, super duper soft. This material right here. Oh my God. Look at that. I think these are fire. This is something you could just wear classy with some khakis, maybe a button up, but you want to be comfortable. This is like a nubuck suede, super duper soft. These materials are nice. It's almost like a sweater. Look at the tongue. That nice hint of orange. I've been wearing a lot of orange lately. I think that's dope. Got the gum bottoms. Brown Nike Air on the inside with the cream, or I guess sail is that color, sail, on the interior of the shoe. I'm super happy. I think this is, oh wow. So I got these on sale. These are they normally retail price, hold on. The retail price for these, $120. I got them for $69.99. So you can't really beat that. Got the Nike Air on the back. Yeah, this is some good quality. Look, the inside on the Air, it's like a cream. I think it's even more cream than sail. This isn't white, this is like a sail too. Yeah, these are nice, man. $76, man. I'm super pumped, man. So shout out to y'all, man, that have been subscribing, that have been liking and commenting below. I really appreciate it. To get so much action on the channel where I only got like 50 or 60 subscribers. I really appreciate all the action and all the comments and everybody taking the time to participate in what I got going on over here. Man, you just can't go wrong with a pair of Air Max 1s. You really can't. I got some good lighting right now too. So this is like, what you see on camera is what I'm seeing. Like that deep chocolate brown. Yeah, these are fire. I think this was a good pickup. Like I said, $60, or what did I say? $70, $69. It's a good time to pick up some shoes if you've been waiting to buy shoes for the low. Yeah, man, I'm super excited. It didn't come with any spare laces or anything. So you just got these cream laces. What'd they say that color was? Bronzy Clips, Total Orange. Whatever that means. I don't know what the hell that means. But I do know that this was a good pickup. Nike, thank you. Appreciate it. This material is stupid soft right here. But yeah, I appreciate you guys tuning in. Like, I've been quarantined to the room, so this is a little bit different. We're in the middle of moving to a new house, so we got a whole bunch going on right now in the middle of a quarantine pandemic of whatever. But when it comes to these shoes right here, I'm super happy. I'll do it on foot in another video. Or maybe I'll do it in this video. I don't know. Nike. Shout out to Travis Scott for finally delivering this. All right, you guys, it's your boy Bert Collins. I've already tapped in. Now I'm tapping out. Peace.